Welcome. In this video, I'll show you the best Binance referral code. In this code, you'll be able to get 20% fee discount plus $100 bonus in fee. All right, so first up, go ahead and go to the comment section below or even in the description. Okay, you can go ahead and find a link that says Binance.com plus the referral code. Now, if you're new to Binance, you can go ahead and click on this link and create an account from here. Okay, if you don't know how to create an account, just go ahead and enter your email and phone number from here and hit on next and follow the simple prompts. Okay, now if you're already a Binance user, you can go ahead and use this referral code by just logging in with your Binance account. All right, and here just go to the top right and click on the profile icon. Once done, go ahead over to Rewards Hub. All right, same goes to the mobile users. Just go ahead over to Rewards Hub and then find My Vouchers. Okay, click on it and then go to the top right, click on voucher code. Now go ahead and enter the code RH9S25AL. All right. Once that's done, just hit on claim voucher and you're good to go. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.